Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out HBAR's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous video we were right in here and the idea was this is an impulse down followed by a correction structure up, probably an ABC zigzag, so we should probably count on a continuation of this move down, and it actually happened. Question is, can we argue our move down is over? In my opinion, the answer is probably no, and we should most likely count on maybe like another 5 to 7% move down. But I do think overall this move is hopefully soon going to come to an end, and I have two very important reasons for it. Number one, where are we in terms of classic TA, meaning support and resistances? You see, we don't really have a lot of important special areas in here, and I think a good one is actually down here between 17 to about 17.5 cents. Also, at the same time, when this move up happened, it was a bit too fast, and as a result of it, we did create a very important gap in H4 and also daily time frame right in here. So this adds quite a bit of validity to this region, and since I think our move down is going to continue, from my point of view, makes perfect sense to argue a likely target for this phase down is going to be reaching to somewhere around here. Do I have some more reasons to believe this is going to continue a little bit more? The answer is yes. I'm not sure if you like classic patterns, but if you do, what are we having in here? I think we can all agree this is a beautiful head and shoulder structure, which actually got confirmed. Let's just draw the neckline for it. There we go. You see, if you are a regular viewer, you know what I'm about to say. If you want to say a head and shoulder is confirmed, you need to see an initial break of the neckline and then a pullback, and followed by that a continuation of the move down in order to take this low. And as you can see, we absolutely did it. So this head and shoulder structure, in my opinion, is confirmed and it is going to work. And according to this thing, what's going to be a likely target? You need to, first things first, put your chart on regular scale. This is a very important point, and I'm going to keep saying it in every single video. There is no measuring targets on logarithmic scale, okay? It's very important to understand that. And then you need to measure the height of your pattern to about this point and put this thing at your breaking point. Once more, this is giving you this important area of demand between 17 to about $17.5. So this is yet another important reason to believe our move down in HBAR is going to continue a little bit more, but soon, most likely, maybe in the next 24 to about 48 hours, is going to come to an end. And let's hope that from here we get a very strong bounce, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure without a lot of overlapping of the waves, because that could be a great sign indicating the low of our correction is already in. And by the way, what we do not want to see is a good move down, a very strong one, in order to take this important slow down here about 17 cents, because that is going to change a lot of bullish scenarios that we can possibly have, starting from the lowest low in here about $12.5. And at that point, we need to be a bit careful. But as long as we are not doing that, I think we are allowed to be quite optimistic. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in HBAR's charts. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.